Good morning, kg2. How are you all? Today we're going to be studying math, okay? First of all, I want you all to start counting with me numbers starting from 0 to 10. 0 means nothing, right? So it's nothing. It shows nothing. Let's start counting. 0. After 0, what comes? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's count again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? We are going to start writing numbers 1 and 2. We're going to right now start practicing 1 and 2. Okay, let's go to number 1. What's this? This is number 1. 1 means only one item or one object. It can be one star or even one ball or one eraser. 1 means only one object, just like my finger here. It's only one finger. I didn't open all the fingers, I opened only one. So 1 means only one object or one item. We can write number 1 just like this. These are my lines. These are the 3 lines you will find in your books. And we have also the starting point. Okay? To write anything, we have to put our pencils on the starting point. Writing number 1 is just like this. Put your pencils on the starting point and then start going down, down, down. Again, put your pencils on the starting point and then go down, down, down. This is very easy, right? Okay. We are going to move to writing number 1 in letters. I will show you how we write. But before we do this, listen to me. When I say 1, what sound did you hear at the beginning? It's wa, right? Okay. When we write 1, we don't write wa. The first sound in 1 is oh, which is crazy because English is crazy. I will show you how we write number 1. O, O, N, eh. Okay, I said 1, but I didn't write wa, I wrote O, N, eh. Wa, 1, okay, O, N, eh. Again, let's write it again. O, O, N, eh. O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. Okay, let's see the directions. When I write O, I put my finger on the starting point and I go round, 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 round and close. And then for the end, from line number 2, we go down, up again, round, and down again. And then the E, between the 2 lines, we make a dash, round, and so on. Okay, 1. Okay, now let's move to our page. This is the page you will see in your books. Okay, we start here writing 1 between the 3 lines, just like I did, writing 1 in numeral and in letters. The directions for writing 1, don't forget, you have to put your pencil on the starting dot and start. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. And down, down, down. It's very easy, right? And as I told you before, 1 is a crazy word. We say wa, but we write O, O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. And when we write it between the 2 lines, the middle line and the lower line. 1, O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. Again, O-N-E, 1. The next page, in this page, we're going to be showing number 1 in many different ways, okay? We can show it using the 10 frame, or we can show it by drawing only an object to show number 1. This is called the 10 frame because if you count with me, you will find 10 empty boxes, okay? From now, we're going to start. Every number, we're going to take it, or we're going to study it. We're going to show it on the 10 frames. How can I show it on the 10 frame? I want you to see this box up here. Can you see my bouncing dots? Yes, they are coming inside the box, okay? We are going to use this these bouncing dots or balls to show any number we want on the 10 frame. Okay, we said that number 1 means only one object. So, to use the bouncing dots, how many dots I'm going to use? I have to use only one dot, right? So we are going to go to the 10 frame, to my 10 frame, okay, and I'm going to make it. How can I make it? Just like this. One of the bouncing dots is going to come into the first box in the 10 frame. When I look at the 10 frame here, I only see one bouncing ball. So this means number 1. It's only one ball, it's only, or one dot, it's only one object. So this means number 1. Okay, when I want to draw one object, okay, let's draw anything. Here I'm going to draw a smiley face. Okay, do you like it? Or can I draw another one? No, because 1 means only one object, only one object. Okay, down here we have another exercise. We are going to read all the numbers and we are going to color only number 1. So you have to look on all the circles here and start reading the numbers inside and then coloring them. Okay, the first one is number 5. Can I color it? No. 3. Can I color it? No. 4, 2. Okay, and here, what do I have here? Yes, read it with me. O-N-E, 1. Can I color it? Yes, sure, I can color it. Okay, so it's going to be number 1. Okay, and then I have number 5. Excellent. Can I color it? No. The next one also is number 1. O-N-E, 1. So I'm going to color it. Okay, what about the next one? Yes, it's number 1. We can color it also. Okay, and what do we have up there? Yes, it's number 1, so we're going to color it. Do you have any more one? No, we don't have any more. So that's it. Okay, this is for number 1 now. We are going to move to the next page, and now we're going to start practicing number 2. Okay, what's this number? Yes, do you see it? It's 2. I know you know it since last year. Okay, number 2 means 2 items or 2 objects. Like what? See here, do you remember the star? This is 1 and 2. So now I have 2 stars. I have 2 stars. Okay, what about the balls? Do you still remember them? This is 1 and 2. 2 balls. Okay, or the erasers. You still remember 2 erasers. So number 2 means 2 objects. To write number 2, we have to go to our lines like we are used to. Okay. And also we have to put our pencils on the starting dot. To write number 2, I'm going to show you how we write it. Okay, just like this. To write number 2, we go round, slash, and dash on the lower line. We start from the dot, we go round, dash, and slash on the lower line. This is how we write number 2. Let's write it in letters. Okay, here are my lines, and also we have again the starting point. When I say 2, it starts with t, t, t. So the first sound is going to be t. 2. What did you hear after that? Oo. Do you want to see something crazy? See how we write 2. This is number 2. T, and then W-O. 2. Okay, we say something, but we write something else. Did I sound the wa? No, I didn't sound the wa. This is how we write 2. T-W-O, 2. Some words are very crazy. This is why we have just to know it by heart. T, and then W, and then the O. Okay, so also 2 is a crazy word, just like 1. Okay, let's move to our pages in the booklet. This is your classwork. Okay, we are going to be writing number 2 in numerals and in letters also, just like I showed you. We go round, slash, dash on the lower line. Just like this. 2. Again, put your pencils on the dot. Go round, slash, down on the round, slash, dash on the third line. Okay, again, and again. One more time from the starting dot, round slash dash on the line. Easy? Okay. And we said, how do you write 2 in letters? We said we write it T-W-O. T, W, and O. 2. T-W-O-2. 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 In your books, you're going to be doing just the same like I did here, okay? Now let's move to the next page. This is the page just like number 1. We're going to show number 2. Do you remember the bouncing dots? Okay. How many bouncing dots I'm going to need here to show number 2? We said that 2 means 2 items. Can I bring only this one? Is that right? No, it's not right. This shows number 1. Excellent. To show number 2, I need another one. So I will call another bouncing dot. Yes. Do I need any more? No. Here we have 2 dots showing number 2. Okay, so this is how we make the 10th frame for number 2. And also remember something, you have to start from the first box and move all the way on the first row. So this is the first box and this is the second box we put the bouncing balls in. Okay, now I need to draw. To show number 2, I'm going to draw only 1 object or 2? Yes, 2 objects. Let's see what I'm going to draw here. Okay, this is my star. Should I do this and stop? No, I need another one to show number 2. So now I did show number 2 with my 2 stars. Down here, just like the last time in number 1, we're going to read and color. The first circle here, start reading. This is number, yes, supers, 1. Can I color? No. This is number 8. Can I color it? No. What about this one? T-W-O, 2. Yes, excellent. So we are gonna color. The next one is number 1. Can I color? No. What about the last one? Yes, this is number 2. So we're gonna color it. Okay. Do I have any other? 2? Yes, here. Excellent, I have 2. This is 2? No, this is 1. I'm not going to color. And here, this is number 2. Excellent. And also here, we have number 2. Okay. And this one, the last one. Okay. So you're going to be doing this in your books. It's very easy. And I hope it was easy for you. Okay. Now we're going to move to a next page, to another page. In this page, we're going to read with me the line here, count and write. In this exercise, we're going to count and write. We're going to count what? We're going to count all the items in each box and write the number under the box, okay? But I want to teach you something. When we count, we have to cross out the item or the object we do count, just like this. Here in the first box, I'm going to count the triangles. I'm going to start counting, okay? 1. Do you see my cross here? Because I counted the first one, I crossed it out. Or you can make a dash or anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to write number 5. How can I write number 5? Just like this. Dash down and then half a circle. Okay, let's move to the next one. Here we're going to count the birds. How many birds? Count with me. Yes, excellent. I can hear you counting. 1, 2, and 3. And down in the box, we're going to write number 3. Half a circle, half a circle. Easy? Let's move to the next one. The books. How many books can you see? Let's count. 1, 2. So we're going to just write number 2, round, slash, and dash. What about the bananas? Count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we are going to write number 4. Excellent, you are supers. Okay. How many sun can you see? It's only 1. So we are going to just write number 1. And you see, whenever I count something, I have to cross it, so that I will not miss any items I didn't count. The last ones are the balls. 1, 2, and 3 again. So we're going to write number 3 again. Easy? Okay. Here, we're going to be completing. Okay. We have Numbers that are written and numbers that are missing. We're going to complete the numbers. The first number we have to read, this is number 1. What comes after 1? Just we did count at the beginning. 1, 2. So we're going to write 2. What comes after 2? 3. Excellent. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. After 5, number 6. Can I write number 6? No, it's already there. I will not write it. What comes after 6? 7. After 7, 8, 9, and finally number 10. Is that easy? Excellent. Down here also you're going to be counting and writing the number. It's very easy, just like with it. Let's count the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we wrote number 5. Here, how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to write number 10. The last one, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write number 6. Was that easy? Okay. The next page here, we're going to read and match. We're going to read and match. Okay, let's read together. What's this? Remember, yes, this is O-N-E for 1. So this is number 1. Down here, yes, excellent. 2, this is number 2. Okay, here we have number 2 and number 1. Okay, and there also we have 2 and 1. So we're going to be matching all the 1s and all the 2. Okay, start with number 1. O-N-E 1, we're going to match it to number 1 and to the other side also to number 1. The next one is number 2, we're going to match it to 2 and then to the other 2. Okay, easy? It's very easy. You're going to be doing this in your books, and that's the end for today. Thank you very much.